Here it is, Monday morning, 28th of April. We're heading into Jebel Ali this morning for start our rest and maintenance period.
Here you get box chains. You know,
the guys are busy trying to do work on Tuesday morning. Now they're supposed to be closed up in the spaces and escorting people around.
It's 10 o'clock, it's stand easy.
The excuse is it's stand easy time. I'll take that as gospel, and we'll go around and see what kind of work is going on down in the engine room.
But you're looking.
Okay, here we got work undergoing. Contractors are taking out the lagging. They're going to have them all made up in a day. But the electrician's working, and there's some bilge pumping going on over there. Everywhere you go, there's people working. It's at go, go, go. This is about the coolest, calmest spot in the engine room. Actually, there's a nice working condition here. Starboard cruise engine's all been cleaned up by Bob Embry. A clean engine is a happy engine. And what we're going to do now is take off the end cone and inspect the inside and change out the gaskets while we can. Got a handful of worker bees and a couple makey-learnies. It's asbestos. No.
What is it really?
I'm not sure. Some kind of ceramic fiber or whatever. It's fairly. It gets really brittle once it's been heated up. Yeah. But it goes on fairly tough. But as soon as it warms up, it hardens right up. Yeah. I'm going to put this in the Marine Engineering Journal. Look, we actually got an officer's call inside.
Show me new ring you bought yesterday. Show me new ring.
Yeah, the puzzle. the puzzle.
You want to see it?
Yeah. Well, it looks pretty clean in here, doesn't it, Tim?
Yes, it's very clean.
Yeah, I'm looking through my inglorious black and white here. Well, hang on a second.
And the second set looks good. The only thing is we're losing the covering on here.
Oh yes, that heat-resistant covering. Yeah,
it's all gone. It's kind of bare metal.
Okay, here, just point it out with my pen.
This is all it's
exhaust.
Yeah, okay, we see it there. What about on the 1 o'clock position? Any difference there?
There's more of the base covering, but it's still bare back here.
Okay.
You can probably come right in and see that.
Yeah. And that hole, that's the adductor hole, is it not?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it is a little dirty. But there's nothing in the screen.
No, and there's no heat discoloration anywhere, is there?
No.
That's the oil supply tube up to
the bearing.
Up to the bearing, yeah. And the other's oil scavenge.
You can come right in here and look at the track, where stuff's coming off.
Yeah. Well, it's pretty good with
it gets a lot of hours, and
But remarkably clean. I know on the other boat there, when we ended up doing this, climbing through the exhaust, there's a lot of black.
Yeah.
Just trying to light up the hole there. Oh yeah.
For an engine with this many hours.
Oh, it's amazing. Amazing, yeah.
Is there anything in there, Tim, that looks like it might have been an exhaust leak out the side?
Well, yeah, it's probably if you crawl in here, and if you put the light on the outside, you could probably see it shining through the cracks here, right?
Well, the exhaust would have came up this way.
Yes.
Hit here.
Yeah.
And come out here.
That's right. But also on that first the expansion joint there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's where I took that two pieces.
That's right. That's right. The exhaust is breaking up in there. So
Breaking up in there?
this will be part of the 650 justification also.
Yeah, it always is.
And Mr. Roll, the senior service rep, can view this tape and make his decision. Right at the exhaust pipe, and looks good here. Really no loose soot at all. Things look pretty good. I don't see anything coming apart. It all looks fairly tight. Very little warping of anything. And all the rest of the bands and strapping in here, that all looks good. There's the access door that we've gone in up into the attic, and everything else looks fairly good. Good condition. Nothing really loose at all.
Look at how thick the dirt went through it in better size. They're clean on this one.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Pretty dirty on that side. Air's going in and it's collecting the dirt.
That's all particle down there?
Oh, that's the ends of the fiber.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's right, that's right. They're heat treated.
Yeah, we brought some of these, but we didn't bring any of these. And some of them are getting pretty corroded on the bottoms and stuff. That's actually pretty good. That's how they go, right? That's the bottom. Anyway, in the corner there, right? So the more times that you start to break, so they have to be replaced from time to time. But we didn't bring any with us. We brought some of these.
Electricians are working on the scissor jack. They're going to replace one light. I don't know if you can see it from here, but water that was put on that deck, and that deck is literally steaming hot. I never brought along my digital thermometer, but when I get one, we'll take a temperature of that deck. But it is steaming hot, like a sauna. We have workers on the way here, pressure washing the doors. And there's the boss right there, giving them what for. Check out the boom action. Here's our work compound. We have a portable generator, portable boiler, portable air compressors, all kinds of cranes here. Got some accommodation containers, one for the divers, clearance divers, and another one down for the ship's coordinators. We have a bunch of chiefs and people sculling around down there. They're supposed to be doing work, but looks like they're spending more time in the tent than they are doing any work. We have tents set up. We had one set up for the machine gunners there. The 50 caliber machine gunners to be manned in less than 1 minute. So it's ready to put rounds down range at moment's notice. Jebel Ali Harbor is supposedly the largest man-made harbor in the world. You can see dredging still going on right here. Obviously there's a non-stop concern. And very busy indeed, much busier than Halifax, I would say. Halifax being the largest natural harbor in the world, or second largest, and this is the largest man-made harbor in the world. Over yonder is what I assume to be the Sultan's state yacht. It's quite an ornate looking affair. I haven't gone over there to have a close look at it yet. Okay, here's a scene of a bit of the work in our work period. There's some contract workers on the boat deck, and they're lowering engine filters. We have our air compressor. He's just filling it up with fuel right now. We have a portable boiler, feed tank, the black water tank. We got 2 cranes from that good Irish company, Gallagher's. A lot of work on the go. Here's our access point. It has a double chicane. You can see Buddy running around the corner, and there's another drop arm there. So if any suicide bombers try to take out the ship, they'd have to zigzag through the containers to get to where we are.